What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new here, thank you for stopping by. And today I'm gonna be showing you what's inside my birthday giveaway box. So my birthday giveaway will end on May 31st. I'm gonna put a link below for the video for that giveaway, and I'm gonna show you now what's inside the box. Okay, so my giveaway is, this one is for US only. So this is gonna be in the box. There's 2 face masks, and there's mascara that I got from my Tribe Beauty box. This is a giveaway. Oh, not a giveaway, but a gift for my subscription. And this one, the eyeshadow that I got from BoxyCharm, and this one from my Scents event subscription, and this is the Bottega Veneta scent. Let me see if I can show it here. There you go. And this lip palette that I got from Try Beauty box also. There you go. And so, oh, there's 2 more here. This one from the balm that I got from IPSY, and this highlighter also that I got from IPSY. So I hope you will like this, and tell your friends, family to join the giveaway. Okay? So, oops, sorry, I'm gonna put this back so it won't get ruined. I hope you like this. Okay, and this is my first giveaway, guys, because my birthday is in May, and so I'm gonna have the duration of the giveaway until May 31st. Okay, so that's how it is. And I don't know if I'm gonna ship it with this box, or I'm gonna transfer it in a free shipping, no, not free shipping, but flat rate shipping box. Okay, now one thing that I'm gonna show you in this video is, this is my first time purchasing from them. So I don't know if they usually ship it in this box, but I don't know, maybe you'll recognize once you see it. So that's how it is. And when you open it, I kind of peeked on it already. So that's how it is. And this is my purchase, or my haul from Colourpop. So what I purchased is this one, I don't know, I love, oh my god, my camera, my light is not that good. I love Saraki Colourpop. This is a liquid lipstick, and it's matte, ultra matte. Okay, let me show you. That's how it looks like. Okay, this is on sale. It's back at it, and these are also ultra matte liquid lip, and this is a bundle, of course. And the colors are Growing Pains, Yes Is More, Know It All, and Pearl Next Door. So I'm not gonna show you one by one because it's gonna make my video very long probably. Okay, never mind. I'll show it. Okay. So this is the Yes Is More. That's the color. And this is the Growing Pains. And this is the Pearl Next Door. And this is the Know It All. And these are all matte. So maybe they still have this. It's on sale right now. Like they wrap it in a bubble wrap, each item. And this is Colourpop No Filter Foundation. And this is in Fair. This one is not for me. Okay. I got this for somebody else. And this is how it looks like. There's like stars all over the bottle. Can you see? There you go. It says Colourpop. And I'm not gonna open it or test it or try it because this is not for me. Okay. Okay. Now, the one that I'm excited is, I know maybe there's a lot of videos about this already, but this is my Disney Villains Misunderstood. And this is the Luxe lipstick set. So the back looks like this. There you go. And Evil Queen is matte, Hades is cream, Dr. Facilier is cream, Cruella is cream, Maleficent is cream, and Ursula is matte. So that's how let's open it. I'll show you. There you go. I hope I'm not gonna be dropping this thing off. There. Look inside the box. See? It's nice. And that's how it is. I hope you can see it. There you go. And I don't know. I don't want to open one by one. I want Ursula. There. Ursula, Ursula. There you are. I picked Ursula because my favorite is Ariel. Oh my god. That's how it looks like. Ooh. And I'm gonna show you at the back. Look. Can you see it? It says Villains. Oh my god, my lighting. Please help me, my lighting. There. Ah, very nice. Wow, I like this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So, that's it. I love this. I love, 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 love this. Now I'm thinking of getting the Disney Princess, and I hope they still have it. Oh, by the way, I have a 20% off referral link. Can I put it down below? And when I tried posting it, I saw that aside from the 20% off, you will get a shadow, maybe a black, I don't know what that means. Is it a blush on, or an eyeshadow? But it says one shadow plus your 20% off if you use my referral link. So I hope you like my video, and I hope you join my giveaway. So remember, I'll put a link on the giveaway video and a link for the referral of Colourpop. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye-bye.